Counting on alum Amy Duggar King continues to make fans curious regarding her financial status with her husband Dylan. The two opened Wellington's restaurant in 2020. They rented a place to set up the restaurant. However, the landlord, Hakim Investments, Inc., sued Dylan and his two business partners for failing to pay his rent. Dylan has already paid some of his unpaid rent, but he's upset about the new punishment he's facing, which includes a $236,000 fee. Keep reading to see what happened. Counting on what happened to Amy Duggar and Dylan King's restaurant? In June 2024, reports surfaced saying that Hillcrest Holdings sued Dylan. The filing was made on January 3, 2024. According to the documents, Dylan and his partners, Flint Boyce and Corey Gayer, failed to pay monthly rent for Wellington's restaurant, which has reached over $86,000. But things got worse when the judge granted the plaintiff's motion of making the Counting on alum pay a $236,000 judgment plus interest and attorney's fees. But Dylan has something to say against it. Dylan fights back amid $236,000 punishment. According to reports, Dylan responded to the $236,000 punishment. The court filing states, "It is admitted that the agreement was signed and the first payment was made. However, the remaining allegations are denied, and payment has been offered." Dylan also denies all the liability and the damages owed. The Counting on alum pleads for an alternative to the default judgment, adding that the motion was wrongly entered. Additionally, Dylan requested the court to reconsider its ruling. Documents show that he signed a settlement agreement requiring him to settle two payments for the unpaid rent. Unfortunately, Dylan appears to have struggled to pay the second half of the rent, which resulted in the plaintiff's decision to seek certain damages, interest, and fees. Counting on Amy Duggar's odd response to husband's lawsuit. Amy Duggar King has also been stressed about their recent trouble with the law. Earlier this month, the Counting on alum said they had to shut down the business because it was crazy. She never mentioned anything about her husband failing to pay rent during the livestream, and she appears to avoid all questions revolving around Dylan's lawsuit. But Amy later said they would open up about everything at the right time.